Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning to make these beautiful leaf bookmarks together at one go. So the whole idea today is to take two identical looking bookmark sizes, bring them together, and then use either your masking tape or your washi tape to stick it to your base. In this case I'm using a cutting mat. Pin down all the edges. The trick is to reduce the time of painting. This way you will be able to make both the bookmarks together. So today I'm going to be using tropical palette. You can use any palette that you have. I'm going to take some green with using a round brush, and I'm going to start painting leaves from the bottom. The idea is to just make loose single leaves in different directions. You could start out with a lighter color and then build up the colors. As you can see, I am going about both of these bookmarks at the same time. So you would feel that this entire space is your canvas. Having a little bit of white space in the middle will just make it a little more realistic looking, and aesthetically it looks much nicer when there is a little bit of white space inside a leaf. Also, don't cramp your leaves together too much unless that is the kind of effect that you want. I'm now taking a little darker green, and wherever there are gaps, I'm again going in different directions when I am filling it up. You could change the sizes of your brush if you want to. I'm using the same size for this entire piece. You can overlap the leaves if you want to. I'm now mixing a slightly different green as well along with it, creating some smaller leaves now. While overlapping leaves, ensure that the base layer has dried out. Otherwise, they will mix together, it will start spreading. Look back at your canvas or your piece and then decide if you need to fill any more areas or you're happy with the final one. I'm going to now take a little bit of yellow, maybe mix it with the green and try and create another leaf color. I'll probably also create a few with just the yellow. You could also mix these colors in advance and keep them. Sometimes I just go ahead based on my instinct at that moment. Let's now see how this looks. I'm happy with the amount it is filled up with. When you remove the tapes, always make sure that you go against the paper. Washi tapes are fairly simpler to use and they don't stick too much. Sometimes with your masking tapes you might have some issue, so you just have to be a little careful in that case. This trick helps you to create a lot of bookmarks together at the same time, since you don't have to wait for one to dry and then do the next one. I love how the effect has come out, and I think I would like to add a few bubbles in the middle of maybe with some blue. You could either add it before removing your washi tapes or after that. If you do it like me afterwards, just be a little careful. Don't go outside this invisible margin that we have created using our washi tapes, and try to stick inside that. You can even use a sketch pen, you can use color pencils to create these patterns on top. I'm more comfortable with the brushes. I just pick whatever is around me and I go with my instinct most of the time. Hope you enjoyed creating these with me today. Thank you.